Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I'm Miriam. Anyway, this week I use Purification oil, which is the blend from Young Living, and I'll list below in the description box what oils are in this blend. Anyway, I only used it 2 different ways, so let me show you. One of the ways that I love using Purification essential oil is in my diffuser. I love diffusing about 3 drops of it. It helps deodorize and freshen up our living spaces. It's great for use in the kitchen as well as other rooms of the house. Another way that I use Purification is in my laundry. So I have a load of towels here. This is my laundry detergent. I only need to use a little bit because it's Young Living. Anyway, it gives it a boost to add some drops of Purification oil. I add usually 2 or 3. This helps deodorize smelly towels. I don't do it like every time, but if I notice that my towels are like especially smelly, or other clothes that are really smelly, like workout clothes, it's great to use Purification oil.